Hello teachers! So medyo natagalan tayo gumawa ng video dahil sa naging napaka-busy ng ating instructional block. And for this time, magpapakita tayo ng ating updated monthly instructional supervisory plan for master teachers or even sa ating mga school heads or anybody who needs this particular file. So kung makikita nyo po dyan, we have here the June 2026, then followed by July 2026, and yung advance natin na monthly is for August. So since this is monthly, kailangan as head or master teachers, gumagawa tayo nito updated. And of course, it should be aligned with the needs for the particular month. So, may mga nag-PM sa atin kung pwede ba tayo daw magpakita ng sample. So, we have here a sample. I hope nakikita natin ito ninyo. So, lakihan natin ng konti para mas visible. Ayan. Okay. So, for this particular month, unahin natin yung July. So, ang focus natin, of course, ito pala yung mga sa taas, yung columns. Ito yung updated natin batay sa pinaka-linabas na format. So, the name of the teacher, the key result areas, ibig sabihin, based on CRA, what is your focus for this month? So, for example, apply a range of teaching strategies to develop critical and creative thinking, which is aligned with PPST Indicator 1.4.2. So, the objective is to improve teachers' utilization of learner-centered teaching approaches. So, yung enabling projects or activities, meaning to say, in achieving this activity, what will you do? So, pwedeng ng mga CO, demonstration teaching, post-observation, then ilalagay din natin yung ating success indicators and your MOV. So, sa mga master teachers, mahalagang-mahalaga yung MOV kasi kapag gagamitin natin to for any checking or submission of reports, hinahanap palagi. Then the date, so July 1 to 15, ayan. Then here, the second teacher that you want to observe, it depends on you. Then for July 30 hanggang July 31, since patapos na din natin yung July, ito yung ginawa din natin. Yung naging focus ng ating supervisory is the ICT, use of ICT, and no monitor and evaluate learner progress. So this should be aligned. This should be practiced or should be presented with the proper documentation. But as master teachers, ito palagi ang hinihingi sa atin. Okay, so that is for July. Then tapos na natin yung June kasi tapos na siya, but then pinapakita ko pa rin sa inyo kasi baka ang iba need din siya ng sample. So please feel free to use this one, and then pwede nyo pong i-pause yung video o kaya um, i-improve na lang based on your need. So tumungo tayo sa August since ito na yung susunod. So for this coming August, ito yung mga teachers, target teachers to observe and to give technical assistance. And the focus CRA is, ito po siya, to support colleagues, professional growth and development. So, bakit ito yung naging focus natin? Because for this school year, halos start na naman ng submission for reclassification. So, isa sa mga trabaho natin as MT is to support our teachers. So, giving technical assistance, collaborating with them, and improving them with regards to their professional growth. So, objective, so yan. Then, the activities, so sabi ko nga kanina, to provide technical assistance. Then, the success indicators, MOV, and the time frame. So, dito po sa ating monthly supervisory plan, it depends kung ano yung target mo. So, kaya kung makikita nyo po dyan, may mga objective tayo dyan na iba. And then, may objective din na pwedeng nasa month of June and then kailangan mong ulitin kasi may iba ka pang teachers na hindi na bigyan ng assistance or ng guidance. Okay? So, I hope this one helps or would help, especially our master teachers. So, prepared nyo, approve ng iyong principal. So, this one is a very needed material ng ating trabaho. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you for watching. God bless.